You okay?
Yeah, it's the best.
This is Peter. And he's tired of making this face every time he's in his backswing.
I got a mint in my mouth.
This is Dr. Stepien. He's the founder of Adhesion Release Methods and the owner and lead provider at Barefoot Rehab. And today, he's gonna see if he can give Peter back his swing.
He's got just enormous amounts of adhesion in his belly, the femoral nerves, the lateral cutaneous nerve, his superior gluteal nerve, the conial nerve coming out this way. Well, he wants to play golf. He was feeling a lot of stiffness and pain when he was moving. He now feels it when he's doing his golf swing and he's going back this way.
Okay, well, just right in the glute now.
So he feels it tug in here, and a lot of this was coming from the disc because when we unloaded this femoral nerve in the belly area, it released all this stuff. So it's just been a lot of clearing out all the stuff in the front of his belly and his hip, backside of his glute, the sciatic nerve a bit. And he's 95% better. He's doing really, really well. So his obturator nerve is not too bad. He's got a bunch of groin contraction in there, but I didn't feel the obturator nerve pulling tight. His femoral nerve under the ligament is still not great. Drop that knee down. It's tugging a lot right under the ligament. Good.
No pain, no gain.
That's right. Rotatories. It actually lengthens when he's done with his golf swing, but it's really bad right here. So left T7, T8 rotatories, severe. He's got some irritated muscles, hypertonic muscles right here. So I want to release and soften that tissue. I haven't checked his right hip yet, and his right hip has to come out like this when he takes that backswing. The superior gluteal nerve is a little stuck. This nerve runs under the glute medius right in this area, so this stuff needs to lengthen as he does that backswing. Go ahead. Drop the knee down towards the ground a little bit more, and then drop the foot down to externally rotate. Good. Okay. This is the inferior gluteal nerve. Go ahead. It's right on top of the piriformis. And if it's stuck, it won't let the piriformis lengthen. Good. Drop the foot down. Good. Flexion, Kate. His dorsal sacral ligament's pretty stuck right on the butt bone. Go ahead.
The external rotation.
Just straight flexion. Good. Yeah. Keep going, keep going. Good. Okay, we're gonna do iliolumbar, so you're gonna push this here and then drag your leg up the table.
Okay. Straight.
1 second. Oh, no, you can let the knee bend. Okay, go ahead. And push it, yeah. And just drag it up the table behind the knee. Good. So it has ligaments that go this way, and then there's one that ligament goes this way. Good. He came in, he was very restricted, doing a lot of different things, and he had symptoms in the groin, he had symptoms back here, he had symptoms in the front of his hip. And so as somebody's had chronic pain for many years, the body will compensate with all these different muscles and tissues and lays down adhesion, it degenerates more joints. So as somebody's getting better, and then they have different movements or different ways that they move his golf swing. So now he can do the golf swing, but he's like, when he just rotates and he really engages his left glute, it was causing symptoms. So that just tells us that that type of motion is trying to recruit the muscles that are adhesed. And so the more you can clear out all this tissue, the more you're just removing layers of compensation so that he's healthier, he'll have greater capacity to do golf, and he'll have a buffer capacity between doing an activity and when he would normally have symptoms. So he'll need less maintenance treatments as we clear things out now, and he'll just be able to do more and he'll feel better in his body. So it's not just about getting rid of his symptoms, it's also about restoring function to all the areas so that with more function, he's going to be able to do more, and then the symptoms won't come back as quickly. Once the knee's at the belly button, then you're going to rotate the foot up towards the ceiling. Oh yeah. Good. Go. You okay?
Yeah, it's the best.
Drop the knee down.
Yeah.
Actionally rotate. And just rotate the like open the hip up. Yep. Like
That's
that.
the best.
Good.
Oh, that is you, man. Oh,
Good.
that's really good. Go.
Actionally rotate. Yeah.
Go for it. Oh,
Coming up, brother.
those were good ones.
Moderate severe.
Oh, we're good. I just feel the treatment. Oh, my glute.
Much better.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even say nothing about the glute. You see that?
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, that was good. That was.